What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm in front of Range Rover today. I don't have anything necessary that I'm fixing today, but I do have a good story for you guys, so stick around. It's something that might help a person out there that might be having similar issues as me. But before I do proceed with the video, if you haven't already, give my video a like, subscribe to my channel. It would really help me grow. I would really appreciate it. Wheel well itself is this far away from the tire. So instead of being like its normal size height, like somewhere around there, it's about this high. I'm like, what the fuck? Looking inside, don't know how I didn't notice this. This fucking thing is broken in half. In half. You happen to hear your car making weird noises, specifically like metal taking on weight or whatever when you make those hard turns. No, not those little baby ones, those hard turns. Take a look and see if this is still good.